Welcome to the channel and the update on Ford plant number 2. We were talking about these plugs. We found these plugs in the floor and we weren't sure what they were. Some of the viewers replied about it, mentioning that it's possibly an inspection tag or plug, and that's exactly what we believed it was. But one thing happened a little further along after we reached the point of actually lifting the body off the frame. I took a shot of it before we pulled it off. So it turns out this plug actually was covering a body bolt that we weren't aware of right away until we realized the body wasn't free from the frame. I'll flip this so you can see. So here there's actually one of the obvious body bolts. This is on the driver's side floor, and this is actually where that plug was, and you can see that a bolt went down through there, and it was the same on the passenger side of the floor. So we don't know if maybe that was a start point, but they ran 4 body bolts across the floor pan, as well as, if you know anything about these Monterey's, there was 4. There's 2 here, and then there's also 2 here that fasten the body to the frame. I wouldn't call this a real answer. I guess the video stays up. Maybe there's a chance somewhere down the road somebody else will be able to identify the plug. But if you have this plug in the floor and you're taking one of these cars apart, you do got to pop this off so you can see that there is actually another body mount underneath it, at least on the convertibles. I'm not certain about hardtops or 4-doors, but this was on ours. And that's about all we know about the plug so far. So if you recognize the symbol that's on this, please let us know, because we still don't know what it actually meant. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.